Guys, welcome sa ating YouTube channel. Tayo nagbabalik sa ating fishing adventure dito na guys. Ayan po. At siyempre, kasama natin ito pa si Porwins. Yan, muli siya nagbabalik sa ating vlog. Yan o. Busing, may huli na, Busing. May huli na, Lapa. Saka yung si Bador, kasama natin. Kasama natin ulit guys. Saka ang dami natin pamingwit ngayon. Kaya kita ko sa inyo yung mga pamingwit natin. Pwede ngayon. Ano siya, nag-casting. Tapos yan, kanya isa. Ito, nasa mahangin guys. Kaya ganito bakit ang pagpunin natin. Ito sa akin to. Yan. Guys, so dalawa this is the big fisherman in our team. See, big fisherman in our team. Pabalik natin kasama si Engineer Bador. Jose, oh 3-0 na. Fishing adventure dito sa Yanbo. Ating sikreto, ating master si Master Bador sa fishing. They caught already 3. That's already 3 this emperor fish. Yung aming tumbler, yung aming cooler, yung pool. Ito, 0 pa rin. At yung mga pamingwit ay hindi tinitirman. So yun muna guys, at standby lang tayo. Baka makakahuli tayo ng malaki rito. Okay? Okay, let's go.
Yeah, it's more than 3. Oh, Max! Oh, Max! Go.
It's very sharp, that it.
Really?
Yeah. Diapers.
Okay.
Ito nga guys, hapon na. Ito yung makahuli natin lure na kabibili ko to kasi yung isang lure ko ginamit ko dun sa batuhan na basag, tumama sa bato paghagis. So ito tayo ngayon, ating chichikin na ating mga pamingwit muna bago tayo. Bador na doon, busy. Engineer! What time na ulit? 6. Okay guys, time check muna tayo. 6:30 na. So already 1 hour here, so almost here to done. Ano muna tayo, magpapain ng ating mga pamingwit na ito. Tapos malitan ko yung pang-trolling ko, pwede pa kasi 6:30 na so yun muna guys, at standby lang tayo, natatali na tayo na isa. Kaso ano yung isda na yan matinig yung bulan-bulan na tawagin sa amin sa Quezon. Nakahuli na naman si Porwins sa isa. Ayaw ko ang tawag sa isda na to. Pula-pula siya na parang sea bream. Yan pala, sea bream pala tawag yan. biskwit. So yun guys, at kumakain na sila ngayon. Okay.
Yes.
Okay, Dor.
Very nice.
Yes, yung four.
Alas.
Only four
I lost. No, this is more than enough. Yeah. Yes. You live there only, yeah, okay? Oh, very nice. Oh, this is time, okay, sir.
So guys, nakahuli na naman si Bador. Ayan o, dalawa, malaki-laki na. Ayos yan. Si Master Fisherman. Nakahuli na naman siya guys. Tuwa si Bador eh. Okay guys. Okay. Guys, nakahuli si Busing ng barakuda. Oh. Natali siya ng barakuda oh. Guys. Ayos. Barakuda. Oh. Laki na guys. Siguro mga more than 1 kilo ito. Tingin daw. Malaki nga. Buti hindi nalunok. Na lang oh. Barakuda.
Kung naman yung batok, yung asiro.
Natali si Bossing guys. Si Four Wings. Baba mo na lang.
Picture na muna.
Oh, ang laki. Barakuda ito. Barakuda. Barakuda. Oh. Ay, at madali kaya matalim. Buti anong asiro no?
Asiro.
Talagang may paglagyan sa diyan. Yan. Ayan eh. Nandiyan lang yung barakuda sa tabi. Baka may kaing isda yan, kinain niya. Ayan o.
Yung napuputol yung bago.
Yan pala yung pumuputol ng mga dyan eh, mga nylon. Yan guys, may huli na naman siya oh. Barakuda na naman. Maliit-liit ng konti. Isa dito sa isa. Oh, higit. Sarap yan ah.
Kilaw sana eh.
Oh.
Kilaw. Ganda pala pag maliit ang kilaw.
Ayan guys, dalawa huli niya. Magka-bull-bull na yung pamingwit niya eh. Oh. Guys, crabs. Ayan ang crabs mga. Yan. 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 Ayan ang crabs guys. Si Four Winds nakahuli na ng barakuda at saka si Brim. Si Brim at saka dalawang barakuda. So far tayo guys, yung lang huli natin sa casting na na isda. Isang talakitok at saka isang midbid ba yun o parang midbid, parang gano'n, bulan-bulan yata tawag sa amin Yan si engineer oh. Yan. How are you?
Hi. Good.
What can you say about the fish that you caught?
Today we catch some fish, not like before. Today no problem, a little bit happy. Kill the fish, catching fish. Then I hope we'll catch more. So you more fish.
More big, huh?
Yeah, more big.
Sure.
Yes.
You can sit here. Remove this one. You can sit.
Broke.
No, you do not broke. He said.
Really?
Sure. If this broken glass, you have to pay. Okay. What's that?
And he also I have taken for it. Oh, strong yan.
Guys, yan yung ano, yung yan po sa ito. Maliwanag na yan. Cornets yan doon sa kabilang side. Nandito kami sa we are here in the other side of the cornets. So para wala pa tayong nahuli dito sa ating mga ano, patugba o patugba. Tawag ka muna kay Danny. Yan. Sige na.
Anong kanya daw?
Ha? Matutukan ilaw sa mukha.
Yan ang sinabi.
Ano?
Ready na?
Oo.
Bossing Danny! Liga dito, mamingwit tayo!
Shout out muna sa'yo, boss. Bossing Danny Boy. Shout out sa'yo dyan sa, ano, sa Leyte. Maayong gabi sa inyong tanan. At dito ay gabi nga. Maayong gabi. Yan. Sa ating mga higala, kung nanonood ka man, bossing, ito si bossing Roland na ano, kahuli ng barakuda, dalawa. Yan. Saka yung ating isang team member, si Engineer Bado, tapos nandun si malayo yun, yung mailaw na yung guys, si Pastor Mario yun, yung nandun naglalagay siya ng mga pamingit niya. So ito guys yung mga pamingwit natin. Yan.
Anong pusit kasi pag sa gabi, pusit na tayo.
Ito guys, nakahuli naman si Engineer Bador ng isa. Yan o. Yan ulit. Yan. What's your light? Cannot see you. Yan na. Yan. Put down. Scam. Ubus.
Lose make lose ya.
Is the light.
Coming.
Bas, kumain ulit dito. Kumain. Oo.
Take care, makasya take care.
Patid. Oo. Buhay yung pahay ko eh. Ito guys, ang nangyari, si Pastor Mario, dinawihan din siya. Hindi rin niya naisampa guys, napatid yung nylon. Magkalayo man kami, doon kami, magkalayo namin siguro mga 100 meters. Tapos pagkakain ko sa kanya, dito sa akin may pain din akong buhay na isda yung pinain ko. Dumawi din, malapit na sana kasi tumitigil na siya eh. nakukontrol ko na kaso bumigal yung aking main line. Ang ano yung aking main line kasi ang resistance niya ano raw yun 25 kilo. Hindi niya kinaya. Ibig sabihin malaki yun. Kasi nagliliters yung aking fishing rod malaki yung isda na yun. Saka hindi siya nung una hindi siya tumigil. Pero nung bandang huli nakokontrol ko na, yun nga lang, hindi na kinaya nung bandang huli na patid. Kaya naglagay uli ako ng bago na ano, na kawil. At hinihintay natin si Bador na makahuli uli ng maliit na isda at ipapain natin buhay uli. Hopefully, madali natin yun. Or hindi man yun, baka ibang isda. Time check muna tayo guys, ano na mag alas 2 na ng madaling araw. Yun pa rin, unfortunately hindi natin naisampa yung malaking pasibad natin. Kapanghinayang guys, ito yung binabalik-balikan namin dito sa Yanbu nakakailang pasibad na kami rito, hindi namin maisampa. So yun muna guys ang update natin ngayon so far. At update namin kayo mamaya. Kaming tatlo dinawihan pati si Four Winds. Yung kanya naunat yung kawil niya. Yung sa amin ni Pas naputol yung kay Pas na service line, yung akin main line naputol. So yun muna guys ang update natin. Engineer, you catch already small one? Ito guys ang update natin ngayon 3:45 na ng umaga. So far hindi na nadagdagan yung huli natin, kaya siguro matulog na lang muna tayo at mamaya tayo magkakasting mamayang pagliwaliwanag ng kaunti. So yun lang muna guys ang update natin. Subukan natin magcasting mamaya bago tayo umuwi. Okay. Ito guys, babiyahe na kami papunta ng Jeddah. Time check muna tayo, 8 o'clock ng umaga. Yeah, 8:09 AM. So unfortunately wala kami nahuling malaki, pero may mga nahuli kaming maliliit. May barakuda, may talakitok, may red emperor fish, at mayroon tayong midbid kung tawagin sa amin. So yun muna guys, at muli tayong magbabiyahe papunta ng Jeddah. At see you in another episode of our vlog. See you, bye bye. Ito, nandito na ulit kami sa tinitira kong bahay dito sa Jeddah. Siyempre ang ating kasama ulit si Bador, yung kasama natin sa Yanbu pag fishing. So ngayon ang gagawin natin guys, lulutuin na namin yung aming huli kahapon. Kasi gabi na kami, hapon na kami nakauwi ng Jeddah. Kasi mga ano, as in what time we come back? Almost 3:30 PM na. So pagod, tulog mo, nagpahinga. Kaya yung isda nilagay ko lang sa freezer at ngayon na lulutuin, lilinisin ko na at lulutuin natin guys. So yun ang update natin guys sa ating fishing adventure sa Yanbu. Kaya unfortunately nakapagpasibad kami ng malaki sana. Kaso hindi nga nakapagpasibad nga kami, kaso hindi nga na isampa, hindi na iahon na patid yung aming main line. So yun ang senaryo, kaya ito lulutuin natin yung maliliit nating huling isda kahapon. So ito yung continuation guys nung ano natin kahapon. Kasi pagod na nga, kaya hindi nakapagluto kahapon guys. So ito, tuloy natin. Tayo magluluto na para sa ating tanghalian guys. Yes. So ito yun guys, yung huli namin kahapon. Ito, ilagay ko lang. Ito yung tingnan natin kung gaano karami yung huli. Ito yung huli ko noong umaga sa tawag dyan, sa lure natin, yung artificial natin, sa casting. Ito yung huli. Saka ito, huli ko nung hapon sa casting din yan, lalaki ito yan. Saka Ito. Yan. Huli ko yan sa casting. Hindi ko alam kung ano isda to eh. Pero ang tawag sa amin yata nito parang midbid or bulan-bulan yan. Tawag. Tapos, huli ni Porwins, binigay sa akin yan. O, sa amin, binigay sa amin. Kasi si Porwins, maraming huli siya. Yan. Red Sea Bream. Ayoko, tama to, Red Sea Bream. Bakuko. Yan. Kay Engineer Bador. Engineer Bador yan. Yeah, di kay Bador lahat to guys. To. Yan. Kasi maliit yung hook niya. Para makahuli siya ng isda. Yan. Kay Bador lahat yan, no? Yeah, Engineer Bador, ha?
Big.
Yeah. How many dory cuts?
Yeah.
How many? This all yours, right?
Yeah, this full size.
Yeah, see, okay, I will count, huh?
Yeah.
For me, only 4.
4, yeah. Because you catch 4, but a lot big.
Yeah, 4.
Yeah.
This for me also
Could be,
for this casting.
Casting, yeah.
I don't know what to put in this one. One for me is still the hook there.
Oh, yeah.
This one also.
Yeah, this one.
So
What
also
is this
for
fish?
me.
I saw in the fish market there.
I don't know what is that. See? Your brother, they cuts every this small.
It's no need to
See,
clean.
how many you have? See, they cut one big one.
Big, yeah.
What size?
Yes.
This engineer battery cuts one big one, huh? And the small. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14.
See?
The other I put in the hook.
Oh, 2 or 3.
Yeah. 4.
4.
So you have 14, huh?
14.
14. 14. Cut. 14. So ito yung guys, 14 pieces
14
yung
pieces, okay?
14
Okay.
pieces. 14 pieces yung huli niya na ano na isda ito ngayon, oh. Yan. Yan. Huli niya yan. So lulutuin natin ngayon. We will cook now the fish.
So
Okay.
we'll taste this our fishing cooking taste.
Okay guys. Okay, we are here in our kitchen.
Yeah. Fish. Okay.
This is small one guys. We will fry. Yung maliliit ipa-fry natin. Fried fish. Yan. Huli ni engineer.
Yes.
Try natin ng crunchy.
Yes, crunchy will make crunchy this one.
So can eat also bones.
Bones, yeah.
What do you think?
No, this is good with bones. So no need to throw.
It's that. Let me cook first rice.
Yes, okay.
How many?
I take 30 seconds. I take another again. So I'll make one of one, yeah?
Crazy. Another?
Yeah.
No, this one, brother. Okay. This one is this one. This one, oh.
It will finish now.
No, not this one.
No,
This one, because it's still full.
So which one?
Maybe this one. It's crazy.
Yes.
I told them it's leaking, they don't believe. Make good, huh? We make garlic. You think that one? No, this one. Don't put this one. No, don't put that oil.
So this is soft.
guys. Rice in cook. Not cuts in cook, rice in cook. Different. Which one is that? Rice in cook.
Not in cooking, right? Catch and cook.
Huh?
Not catch and cook.
Yeah.
Rice and cook.
So my plan is every Thursday
Cat.
or Friday.
Yeah.
Saturday we'll
You know,
cook the Rendasi. What do you think?
this is like this. Catch there.
Very nice, huh? Yes. Cats in coke.
Cool. Slice more, okay?
You see? I don't know.
This is soft mouse. Yeah.
Okay. We'll see.
We should not only lift also body tissue.
Okay. Body, huh? So, ito guys.
Without teeth, people they can. This body, they don't have teeth, they will bite. This is what.
So, very big. Huh?
Console. A little bit tiny.
Very big.
What to do? Because they eat.
Eat your bites, huh?
They don't.
What's that fish? Mix sabaw.
Sabaw, yeah?
Okay.
Daily market, if you open one shop for only fish cleaning, me and here we can go.
Shut up.
You make only like this and I'll wash. Very fast. See?
Before I working in the
Okay. In the fish market.
clean the fish.
Clean the fish, yeah. So that's why you're very smart, yeah.
That's a joke only, guys. You don't believe me. Just want to leave it. I don't know this fish.
Yeah, leave it there. Leave it later. Fry. Wash in the yourself.
Right, or we'll bring back to the sea.
See, yeah.
Mix about this.
Sabaw, yeah. Three this big, you know, yeah.
Mix
This
about.
one, yeah, we make fry.
And the small one we'll make it. Okay. Next time, guys, we'll catch only big.
Yeah, we'll not catch small, yeah. No, we'll catch and we'll throw there, you know, like.
This time only we catch because Kalas, we are very far and we never catch anything, so it will be very bad.
Yeah. Next time, we'll catch big only, yeah.
Sir,
Yes, we catch big this time. This time also no problem. Yeah, we catch.
otherwise it is too safe. Okay. Ito guys, yung ating sasabawan. Ating lulutuin. Sinigang. Sinigang sa sampalok. Okay?
I like your position.
Okay. Sinigang.
Cut, okay?
No, wait. Let me try this one. What about you?
Guys, this garlic, you know, people, yeah?
much fish? Do?
We'll fry.
Huh?
We'll make fry this. Too much fish.
What is this? Jumping?
Hindi alay. Hindi ko gusto ko yung nakam.
Door.
Okay.
Take this one. Sit there.
Yan naman.
Which one is leaking? Orange liter. After eating.
Make welding, no?
Yeah. Basically, yeah.
Basically, we are make welding this down with the leaking. Prepare food. Me and me.
So you crazy get you not remove the sound. So bali mabilis.
Because I cannot on my head, okay? I will fall half.
Magluto tayo guys ng ng alugbati or spinach. Family na spinach yan yung alugbati. Garlic with oyster sauce. Yung ating isasama sa prito. Tapos may sinabawan tayong kinamatisang isda. Yan. Magana tayo guys sigang o kinamatisan. Kulo tayo ng tubig syempre. Yan. Lagyan natin ng 1 kilong isang kilo luya. Yan, lagyan natin ng maraming luya.
Chicken. Really?
Yeah.
Well, preparing fish.
Siyempre guys, ito yung ating ingredients sa tinola. Bali, sinigang, luya, kamatis, saka onion. Tapos pupuluan natin dito sa ating pinakulong tubig. At ito yung ating spinach, alugbati with garlic. Dinamihan ni Engineer Bador ng garlic. Syada. And ito yung piprito natin guys. Tapos gagawa tayo ng sausawan. We will do some garlic sauce here.
Sorry, sauce, yes.
For the fried fish. Okay. And this one we will cook with oyster sauce. And garlic. Okay guys. So tapos ito guys yung natin, lagyan natin ng may natitira pang isang tanlad na maliit dito sa ref. So ilalagay natin doon sa ating tinola para mawala yung amoy himkisi smell.
Smell, yeah.
Sa lang to, nakikita ko rin lang to sa mga naglulutong kabayan natin. So try natin with tanlad. Pakuluan natin. Mawala yung amoy isda niya. Kisi style. Yan. What do you think, Engineering Brigade? Luto na yung natin, kanin yan, ready na. Pero hindi noble ko para dry siyang masyado. Yan. Ito yan si Engineer. Tapos kumukulo na yung ating tinola. Yan. Tapos magpa-fry na tayo. Yan. Tapos mag-ano tayo ng garlic sauce. Si Engineer, mag-garlic sauce. Tapos mag-ano siya ng habhab, pakwan.
What is habhab?
Habhab you keep outside. Wash it first before opening the
You need to open, okay? I don't know the algae.
No, you have to open. How to cut in Nepal like this?
Short, you know.
Yeah, okay?
Like glass like this, okay? But I don't know. That was it. Okay?
No, no, make good. We will return to this guy if it's not good.
Yeah.
Good? This looks good or what? Good, huh? Ah, okay. Not lying to us, huh?
Yeah, it's not like that. Otherwise, we'll throw this Kerala fish, you know. Okay?
No, just keep it there. And keep it there, we'll close later. Ito na guys, yung ano natin, sauce. Gawa tayo ng bibigaw with garlic and space sauce. Tapos ito yung ating sasabawan. Lalagay natin doon kasi kumukulo na ng gusto. Prito natin. Tapos magigisa pa tayo nito garlic. Okay. So guys, yung pakuwan na Saka pala guys, bukas araw na naman ang pagbabalik namin sa Isino. May pasok na naman kami bukas. Tomorrow Monday. Yan. March 13?
March 16.
Not March, April. April what?
April 16.
April 16, huh? So April 16 will come back in our, will resume our duty sa company. Kaya trabaho na naman tayo guys sa start pa tomorrow. Okay. So ito yung aming last day of holiday sa after Ramadan. So yung So maya-maya lang guys, standby lang tayo, kakain na tayo maya-maya. Ito yung huli natin doon sa ating fishing adventure sa sa Yanbu. Ano lang to guys, stir fry lang natin yung yung ating alugbati. Yan, para healthy. Green ang ating ulam ngayon, green, tapos maging green minded tayo.
Yeah.
Kaya green minded talaga. Yan. Ano nga sa'yo? It's done already, this one.
Fish, yeah.
We have
Good fish fry.
fish fry. Huli natin sa ating fishing adventure. Yan.
Yeah.
Okay ba?
Yes.
Okay ba guys? 1 minute. Let me take out this scale. Very hot.
Yeah. Don't hold by.
What about this one?
Don't hold by hand.
See? Tulad tubig siya guys, nagkakasabaw. Kasi nga yung alugbati, yan matubig. Yan. Green.
Yeah.
Timpla na yan, nilagyan lang natin ng ng garlic. Lutong yan, yung sinarobot. Lutong mga lalaking bahala na kung anong kalabasan. Alugbati. Masustansya sa katawan. Yan. Okay. Done already?
Done.
Sure? Okay. What you think? Good?
I think you're good, Mama.
Mia? Wala mia ka pa.
Oh, Mia. Until finish, you know.
Siya nga pala guys, thank you doon sa mga nag-subscribe ng mga nagdaang araw. Thank you very much doon sa mga nag-subscribe. Saka doon sa nagpo-comment, thank you rin sa inyong comment. Comment lang kayo guys. At shout out kay Danny Cortina at kay Helen at saka kay Alessandra Cortina sa Philippines. Sa Ikay, kung nanonood ka man dyan sa Canada, shout out sa iyo. Kay Bossing pala, kay Bossing Roland, doon sa Yanbo, Bossing. Kailan ulit tayo babalik doon sa ano, sa pag-fishing diyan. Inform mo lang ako, puntahan kita diyan. It's done already. Okay. Ready na yung ating ano, yung ating tanghalian. Meron tayong alugbati. Tapos sinabawan, kinamatis ang isda. Prito. Tapos meron tayong garlic sauce here. Yung garlic with vinegar with fish sauce. Saka siyempre yung ating watermelon, yung ating habhab kung tawagin or pakwan sa Pilipinas. Okay. So let's eat guys. Okay, kain po tayo. Engineer, good?
Yes. We get
Very nice. Kahit po tayo sa mga ating huli sa ano, pag fishing sa ating holiday, ngayong nagdaang 6 days na holiday namin. So far ito lang yung ano, nahuli namin within 6 days. Okay? So kain tayo ng alugbati para kain tayo ng mga green vegetable para maging green minded tayo guys.
With green mind, yeah.
Yeah, green minded. So, kain po. All like this. Tastes like alugbati. How are you, Dor? Good?
Good.
Very nice, wala carbonized.
Carbonized. This smells good. Leaves.
Good, ah?
Just cannot eat.
Guys, yung isda malapad, yung nahuli namin, yung malapad na mahaba, yung midbid kung tawagin or bulan-bulan. Grabe pala ang ano niya, bone sa loob, yan ang mga tinik. More on ano sa more than ano bangus yung tinik niya. Grabe. Yan oh. Di ba lalaki? So hindi ano yung isda na yun. Hindi pala pwedeng ano, kailangan pala pagluto nun daingin tapos daingin muna tapos crunchy. Ador. Okay?
Busy, okay.
Sada. Busy, ha? Kaya tayo guys ng ano? Bakwan. Number 1. Green, vegetable and red. So now it's red-minded.
Green mind there because of green.
Tama yan ititinda guys kasi sabi ko pag hindi matamis to babalik. So okay naman. Hindi natin babalik. Dor, still not finished? Yalla, drink. See? Original from Nepal, Himalaya.com. Guys, dito na lang muna natin puputulin yung ating video tapos na yung ating tanghalian. At salamat nga pala guys doon sa ano, nag-donate ng kapsa yung kapsa yung hapunan namin doon sa tabing dagat. So nag-donate nun, thank you very much doon kay Pastor Mario ng ano sa Yanbo. Salamat guys sa sa pakain kahit medyo late na, at least nabusog pa rin kami. At actually guys, wala kaming kasi walang baon kasi ang focus namin nasa fishing lang. So nakalimutan namin magdala ng pagkain. Kaya buti na lang si Pastor Mario Sayambo at kami hinatry ng pagkain doon. At the same time kumain din siya sa kasalo namin. So yun guys, at maraming salamat sa panonood ng ating video. Abang-abang na tayo sa next episode natin guys. More on tayo ngayon sa Cats and Cook. Okay, bye-bye!